Hi, my name is Parth Sharma and I'm studying at EPD, and I wanted to give my evaluation on business decision making, which was taught to us by a wonderful professor. So the course was entirely about theory and how it applies to your practical work. And for me, that was really amazing. We got to learn in class about, how decisions should be made, how they're going to be applied into business, and which ones are the best ones so that we ensure that we get our success out of our business. And that was really fantastic for me. The classes were really interactive, where it wasn't only the teacher speaking, but she was engaging us into it as she was trying to make us, apply our theory into classes, have like small group projects where all of us were, interacting with each other, collaborating, teamwork and everything. So I found the classes to be fantastic.